Right guys, so I've got a busy day scheduled today. Just looking down there, I'm finding random money in my car. My car's just like a money pit. What the hell? Anyway guys, got a busy day today. Got to go with Paul to pick up his new refurb wheels. So I'll get some footage of that, and then I've got to, hopefully I will have time, I've got to go over to see my other mate who's got the JDM Integra. He's stripping his car and carpeting it and putting is it Broid? I think it's Broid bucket seats in. So yeah, let's just crack on with the video, man.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed.
Paul has absolutely shut this down here with these. Absolutely shut this down. Come on.
Can I take my mind will break? Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero?
Right guys, so first thing first, the thing that I want to speak about is the fact that the FN2 was back on the channel now. A few people, I think it was mainly FN2 fans, were watching the video and were messaging me and stuff saying that they like the car. So as well as trying to keep the EP3 fans happy, I thought, well, I haven't got much footage to do at the minute because I'm still waiting for delivery, because there's been a massive mix-up in terms of, oh, we haven't got this part, but we've got this one, and they were trying to send me that one, but I didn't want that one, I want the genuine one. So, oh well, you're gonna have to wait another week and all this nonsense. I've finally got to the bottom of it, and now hopefully, I think it's tomorrow, they're meant to be getting shipped out to me, so I should receive them over the next couple of days, hopefully. But yeah, so obviously with the FN2, I thought if I can get a post up with the FN2 on there, I think everyone's kind of happy, and plus I'm getting some content onto the channel. Now on top of that, I've spoken to Al, and he has his DC2 JDM. I think he's got that now where he wants it for show seasons. Hopefully, over the next, I'm going to say week, I can meet up with him, get some footage of the car, do a sort of review kind of thing, and get that up on the channel as well. There's also someone else who's been in contact with me, and they want to get a Nissan S15 on the channel, so hopefully that will be on the channel as well. Also in a couple of weeks, Jackfest is coming up, and there's going to be some mad footage on that. There's going to be some really good footage. There's quite a few of us convoying down there, and there's a few on our stand with some pretty cool cars, so there's going to be plenty of footage on that as well. But yeah guys, that's why I've got this footage of the FN2 going up, because like I said, I ain't got much footage. I'm still waiting on delivery, but hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll get some really good footage up for you guys over the next week or two. So just stay tuned with me guys, and just hold on. Peace.